Hello again, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we're go to the where? Store? Kasi bibili kami ng ano guys, pamingwit kasi magbibingwit ako bukas. So, samahan nyo kami for today's videos. Hi Calbo!
Hi who?
Calbo.
Yeah, Calboco.
So ito yung ating ano, OOTD. OOTD. So yun yung mga gamitin namin bukas guys, yung mga bag.
Paskas guys.
Yun yung mga gamitin namin tomorrow.
Bass fish too. Oh, cigars.
Excited na ako mamingwit bukas. Tingnan natin kung makakuha tayong isda. Adobohin natin. Un-unan. So guys, alis na kami. Dadala ko ng bag at saka mga ID kasi registered ako. Kailangan pala magpa-register dito. Kailangan pala may lisensya ka bago ka magbingwit. Kasi kung wala kang lisensya patay. Preso ang bakla. So, kailangan natin ng lisensya guys. So ito yung ano natin. Ang sasakyan pala namin sa Annabelle. Yung sa Annabelle guys. Yung pala sasakyan namin ngayon sa Annabelle. Na asawa ni Joel. Charis. Annabelle palang pangalan ng ano, Wrangler na to. Pero sabi niya papalitan na to ng ano, green na cover. Tapos ilalagay yung pangalan ko Fretzy. So di na siya sa Annabelle. So Fretzy na siya. So yun lang guys. Sasama kayo doon sa fishing. Pangalan do fishing ko ang. Basta fishing, uy. Muna ito. O sige. Maganda yung ano, araw ngayon guys, mainit-init. So hindi natin kailangan magdala ng jacket for today video. Kasi walang lamig. Iwan ko lang kung hangin kasi yung hangin dito, pag i-overheat yung hangin, ay Diyos ko day, sobrang lamig. So, tingnan lang natin mga uncle, mga auntie. So, hayan, sasakay na tayo guys. Lagay ko muna kayo dyan. Ako po ilagay dyan. Diyan po kayo ilagay. Kasi sasakay na tayo. Taasin ang jeep guys, kaya kailangan natin lakso. Taasin ang jeep. So for today, oh my god, pasukin na ba ako? Parang oven. So maglagay na tayo ng seatbelt. Oh my god, it's so very hot.
No, is this what you're used to?
Yes, but love, this is so very hot. It's microwave.
Put your blowing window down.
Open the window and I can close later. Oh yeah, hangin-hangin na guys. So, ready, set, go. Bye to them, love. Bye. See you in the fishing where?
Fishing. We're gonna go to a different fish store.
Yeah, fish store.
By Safeway, called Big Five.
Yeah.
It's a Big Five store.
Yeah. See you there.
Okay, thank you. Ippy oh, ippy oh, ippy oh, oh. Hi-oh. The question is for everybody. We're gonna have a game right now.
What?
I have to wake Fritzy up at 6:30 in the morning.
Oh yes, of course.
Is she going to get up, or is she going to say, "Love, just go fishing by yourself"?
Shut up. You know what, love? I can sleep early, but you wake me up. You're bothering me while I'm sleeping. So if I say that,
wait. What? I do what?
If I tired and I fall asleep, then I sleep, but you wake me up.
How do I wake you up?
In bed, you're so noisy and you wake me up.
Wait a second. Okay, hold on, everybody. When I go to sleep, she has her phone next to my ear, like this. My head's right here. With TikTok on for 6 hours. I don't complain, I just go to sleep. When she goes to sleep, I have the TV on very low, watching TV. And I do this to her for 2 hours, so she falls asleep. I rub her hair, so she goes to sleep. So, as her family that's gonna see this knows, she's scamming you, because that's what really happens.
Shut up!
Yes, that's
But if I can sleep early today, don't wake me up, okay?
I'm not gonna wake you up.
Okay, I love you.
I'm gonna put a plastic bag over your head, and you can suffocate yourself to sleep. Evil.
You're mean. I'm filming that.
No, of course not. Crazy.
So yun lang, guys.
And we're gonna fish tomorrow. Fish.
Excited na kami bukas mag fishing. Excited na rin ako mamingwit. Kasi ito naman talaga yung guys, alam niyo ba guys, nung bata pa ako, kami ng papa ko, kami ng magkapatid, namimingwit kami doon sa sapa.
Sa baba!
Doon, ang pangalan ng sapa namin guys ay Manmanay. Then maraming puyo-puyo doon. Tapos namimingwit kami, kumukuha kami ng apan, yung grasshopper.
Somebody translate. I think she's lying.
No, I'm not. I told them when I'm young.
Yeah.
And then my father and my siblings, brother were get a grasshopper. So we have
Fishing poles.
yeah, we're fishing, and then we can put the grasshopper in it so the fish can catch it. Yeah. So it's what we're going to do. Ito ang ginagawa namin guys. So yan. Excited na ako mag-fishing tomorrow at saka makita yung beauty ng place dito. Sana ganito yung weather bukas. Mainit. So nandito na kami mga uncle, mga auntie.
I'm crippled.
Baba na kami. See you there. So maglalakad na kami guys. Sorry go. Nice. Ayan, siya kami pupunta guys. So guys, nasa loob na kami ng shop, ng Big 5 Sporting Shop. Bibili kami ng mga pain ng isda. At ayan si husband, namimili na siya ng mga pain na gamitin namin sa hook. Ayan, nag-voice over pala ako kasi may music yung yung shop, kaya nag-voice over na lang ako. Akala ko walang music. So ayan guys, yung mga yung mga price ng mga pain, ganyan. Yung mga kinukuha namin. Tapos yun, namili na ako din. Nagtatanong ako dyan kung mga klaseng pain yan. Tapos yun, sinasagot naman ako ni husband. Ang mamahal pa naman yan guys. So ayan, after nyan, pagkabili na, lang binili namin dyan, mga 4 ata na pain. Tapos after nyan, na ako. Punta na kami sa counter, tapos nagpa-registered na ako kasi dito sa Amerika guys, bawal ka mag-fishing kung hindi ka naka-registered. So kailangan mo na mapagpa-register or may license ka. Pero sabi ni husband, if palagi daw kami nag-fishing, kuhaan niya ako for good 1 year ng license para mag-fishing, para hindi na kami palagi para hindi na ako palagi nag-register para continue na lang yung fishing namin. Ayun. Yun siya guys, yung parang clay na yan. Ilalagay siya sa hook, ibalot yung hook diyan. Tapos yun, itatapon sa tubig, tapos may isda yun. Ang galing ng mga pain nila. So, yun lang. Binabasa pala ako dyan, hindi ko mabasa. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanya, tawa kami ng tawa dyan, dalawa. So, So, yun lang guys. Ma-share ko lang. So, excited na mag-fishing. Sana makakuha kami ng mga isda bukas. Para bibigay namin sa kapatid niya o sa manugang niya. Nilutuin ata nila dito pero ako parang hindi ako kakain ata ng isda dito. Parang hindi familiar sa akin yung isda. So, baka hindi ako kakain. Iba kasi sa Mindanao yung mga puyo, yung mga karpa, yung mga isda, Taiwan hito, yun. Kinakain ko talaga yun. Mas familiar sa akin. Pero dito parang hindi familiar sa akin. So, hindi ako kakain. Hindi ko lang alam. Pero try natin subukan kung masarap ba yung mga isda-isda dito sa America. Ayan guys, ang daming bingwit. Ang mamahal ng mga bingwit na yan guys. Ang pinakamababang price dyan, 7,000. 7,000 to... Umaabot siyang 7,000 to 7,000. 7,000 to 12, 15, something like that, guys. So, ayan. Nag-video-video ako dyan. Lakas ng music dyan, guys. Kaya hindi ko hindi ako makapagsalita actually nagsalita ako dyan kaso hindi ako nakarinig na may music pala yung nawala yung ko. Kaya ngayon voice over tayo kasi copyright tayo. So anyway, ayan lang yung guys. Ayan yung mga nangyayari sa amin for today's video. Sana panoorin nyo kami guys. Diba? Pinipili niya ako ng mga bingwit. Sabi ko, huwag muna bumili kasi 3 yung bingwit niya. Saka hindi ko pa naman sanay gamitin yan. Hindi ko alam gamitin. Alam ko itatapon ata yan eh. Itatapon ng para yung pain mapunta sa gitna ng tubig. So hindi pa naman ako marunong dyan. So kailangan ko mag-practice. So guys, tapos na kami nag-registered. $20 ang bayad. So ngayon, pupunta na kami ng Safeway for my baon bukas. Mag-aadobo ang bakla, guys. Okay.
Bakbupalas.
Tingnan nyo guys, buhatin niya ako.
Bakalani ato. Jump. Because of my back. Jump. I can't do too much. My back is killing me.
Oh my God, guys. Nasa na ako. Jeep. So magsisitlit na tayo. Why not we can walk instead?
What?
Walk.
Walk where?
In Safeway.
Do I do what?
We walk in the Safeways instead.
We're gonna walk in Safeway. It's just not. Why is it not going?
Did you chat Evan if they go tomorrow?
What?
Evan?
I've not yet. I'm gonna though. I'm gonna
Try to chat Mark.
I did. I just texted
Tell him that we're not stay longer, but stay longer.
Well, no, he drives himself, so if he feels better, he'll go, but he probably won't. I told you, his stomach might ache. Sometimes his stomach is icky.
He also
No, he has Crohn's.
Crohn's. Okay. Chantilly. Punta na kami ng guys.
We go see Didi. She works right there.
Safeway, punta ako. Gawa ako ng pork. Mag-adobo ako bukas yun na kayo.
Adobo.
Safeway na kami guys. Yung Safeways.
Hey, how much cash do you have in your purse?
I don't know.
We look, cause we have to pay cash. I want to make sure if you don't have any more, get it. So I think you have to pay $5 for the card. I don't know if I can use my card for that.
Yes, I have. I have my cash.
Okay.
I have like 30.
Okay. Then we can just, it might be $5 or something.
Nandito na kami guys. Let me check first how much
We don't need it now.
I'm gonna check, love.
Oh, you do that. You do that.
See, I have a lot of I have a million money.
That's perfect. I think we only need $5 for tomorrow.
Yeah, 5,
Okay,
10,
okay.
and every time champagne. The Proto Plus.
It's a prototype.
So, I have a lot. Yung mga sukli niya guys, binibigay niya sa akin. So, ito tinitipon ko. Tapos ginagamit lang naman namin pag yung mga bayaran or something
Come on, Proto.
So yan, bababa na kami.
Oh, Mrs. Froto Magnesium.
I can baba my own.
So, baba. Shaba.
So yan, punta na kami sa Sitpay, guys. Hi guys. Hi mga uncle, mga auntie.
Hello, Uncle and Auntie.
Yeah. You are a uncle.
Me?
Yes, uncle.
I'm Tito.
No, not Tito. Not
Who
Tito.
am I?
Uncle and auntie.
Oh, Uncle and Auntie.
Yes. Okay.
Welcome. If you have your club card, $5.89. If you have your club card, please scan it now. $5.99. Your card has been accepted. $11.59. $7.55.
I don't have to find you.
$3.99.
Very nice, huh?
So nakabili na kami ng ano, kailangan namin. Ayan. Mga kailangan namin. Ayan, nakabili na kami.
She asked you for money. You give it to her.
Oh.
Yes, she did. She says, "Can we spare a little change?" And you just walked right past her and said,
So pauwi na kami guys ngayon. Yan, see you later at home. Bye!
all the way there and all the way there, we hit the red light, green light.
Wow.
And that was unreal. It's 4 lights. We had 8 lights in a row.
Wow.
Wow is right. That never happens. Are you excited to go fishing tomorrow?
No, I'm sleeping.
And then when I get paid on my next paycheck,
Yeah.
we're gonna go to the store and we're gonna customize a fishing pole for Fritzy. She's gonna
Okay.
pick out the color she wants,
Wow.
everything. So she has her own personal fishing pole.
And you registered me for a year.
No, you're only registered for a day right now.
I mean, what? I mean, if
No, you're gonna.
Soon.
No, we're gonna get your whole year one next time.
yeah, next time.
Yeah, with a fishing pole that's customized
Yeah.
to you. Whatever color you like, whatever type you like.
Okay. Wala yung bahay namin, guys. So, nasa bahay na kami, guys. Magluluto ako ng adobo for tomorrow. Bibili ako ng pork. Ito pala yung ano ko, guys. Papel. Receipts ko ng ano. Mga katibayan naka-registered na tayo mag-fishing tomorrow. So excited. So mag-aayos na siya, guys. Mag-aayos na ng ano, pamingwit para bukas. Ay ayos na para bukas madaling araw aalis kami, alas 6 kami aalis dito.
What the hell is this? Oh, I already put that in. No. What do I do with that other stuff? I'm a mess. I have nothing organized. I need little,
Yes, you're not organized. That's why you don't know your things.
I need to have little things to put all my stuff in. But where's the stuff that I just bought today?
Oh, there.
Oh, it's in here. Must be in here.
There.
No. But the power bait. The little jars of power bait that I bought.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
It's not in the plastics.
Did they proto our plasmic? Or did they vanilla wafer our magic?
You talk a lot again.
Look at all this crap. No, there's that. Don't need that. No. Okay. Where'd that stuff go? No. No. Icky.
You're not put it in yet? I think it's in there.
Did it roll out in my Jeep? It was the little bottles.
So, ayan mga uncle, mga auntie, plaster na siya sa iyang kuan. Bait pool. It's bait pool, right?
Fishing pole.
Fishing pool. So, ayan pa. How many? There are 3 of them were bring there.
Yeah. You can only fish with 1 pole, but I can fish with 2 because I have a 2 stamp, but I don't fish.
I used the orange one.
You can use any one. No, you're going to use all of them. Whatever fish bites, you're going to reel it in.
Okay, but again, I like to use orange.
You can use any one you want.
Okay.
Anything that you want to use is all for you.
Is that river is deep? Or
No.
river is
It's not a river.
or
It's a lake.
it's a lake? Have crocodile in there?
No crocodiles.
I bet they have.
No crocodiles.
Or snakes.
No crocodiles, no snakes. Only fritzies.
Shut up.
Oh, I already chopped it.
I'm gonna live you in TikTok then. So they're watching.
Okay, let me sit in a chair. Sit in a chair.
I'm tired, love.
My back is icky doo.
You want to borrow a chair?
Nope. Oh, I got it.
So you can turn any.
Oh, I got it. Nope, I got it. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna live, okay?
Okie dokie, Smokey.
Oh my god, hindi mapindot yung cellphone. Cellphone is stuck.
Turn it off, turn it back.
Alas 8 na po ng gabi dito, pero may ano pa, yan, may suga. Sunset. Pero doon madilim-dilim na. Ayan, alas 8 na ng gabi dito. Hello. Good morning, everyone. So, kagising lang natin, guys. Si husband, ginawa na ako ng coffee kasi mamaya aalis na kami. So, ngayon mag-iinit ako ng adobo ko for may baon before I prepare myself. So, let's go. Samahan niyo ako. Nainit na natin, guys. Ayun. So, gabi naglinis na ako dito para malinis na pag-uwi ko. Haggard best. Hello, tingnan niyo ang ganda ng araw dito. Ayan, sa harap namin, fogs. outfit natin, magkasapatos natin.
What do you think? And then when they play this game, like you saw the response to this tweet where they're like, it's
Push.
price gouging because billionaires want Trump to win. Oh yeah, 6 billionaires. Because you got 1 billionaire like,
I don't know how to do it.
I do.
the prices. Like, okay.
And no billionaires really decides to say,
Right, and that's it. And then when Biden gets in, and Keystone, for example, he shuts down the Keystone pipeline day one. And then what you really get is the
Could you bring around this back thing?
did shutting down the Keystone
There you go.
pipeline increase the cost of gas? False, because the Keystone wasn't actually transporting gasoline. And that's the lie. That's how they manipulate people, because they know the average person doesn't understand the finer
Yung
points.
outfit natin, guys.
If you are an investor, if you work in the energy sector, and 2 things happen. 1, you invest heavily. Your company invests heavily in the Keystone Pipeline and
O yun, hide the socks lang.
What?
Hide the socks.
And then Biden shuts
You
it
won't
down.
get stickers
You've
in
lost that money.
Okay.
Well, now they're going to try and recuperate. So they're going to be raising prices to recover their losses. But that's an even better way, a much simpler way.
So,
If you're projecting demand, and in those projections,
So guys, ito yung outfit natin for today. Kasi sobrang lamig, kaya kailangan natin mag jacket. It's okay that we can. So, andito na kami magbabayad siya ng park. Ayan guys. Ganyan magbabayad ng park dito.